quickly talk about iHerb. They offer everything from supplements, sports nutrition, bath, beauty, baby, even pet products. I have been a loyal customer of iHerb for 3 to 4 years. I purchased supplements for myself and my family on iHerb, only iHerb. And over the years, I've accumulated iHerb reward points, which I use towards my order all the time. All the products that they sell are stored and shipped exclusively on iHerb. All iHerb brands are quality controlled and they offer 90-day money-back guarantee.
Feels like a dream, feels like magic. Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Temu, ooh, ooh, Temu. All of my wishes came true. Shop like a billionaire. Shop like a billionaire. Ooh, ooh, Temu, ooh, ooh, Temu.
Download the Temu app and shop like a billionaire.